Good afternoon to all the students of class 5. So students, today I will continue with the chapter number 13 of your textbook, Indus Valley Civilization. So students, in the previous class we have already started our discussion on Indus Valley Civilization. We have learnt about the location of the Indus Valley Civilization, important cities that grew in the Indus Valley Civilization, then why we call the Indus Valley Civilization as Harappan Civilization. All this we have already learnt in the previous class. In today's class we will move on to some other features of the Indus Valley Civilization, which included the food habits of the people. Then we will see how they do agriculture and trading. So students, first we will start with food eaten by the people. So what was the actual food habits of the Indus Valley people? Now, remains of wheat, barley, millets and lentils have been found at various places across the Indus Valley civilization. So students, I have already mentioned in the previous class that the archaeologists have discovered after many years different sites of the Indus Valley civilization, different artifacts of the civilizations. So also like that, the remains of these grains, remains of this wheat, barley, millet, lentils, all these are grains which have been excavated or dug or brought out from the ground by the archaeologists, and this shows that all these grains, the remains of these grains shows that they are eaten by the Indus Valley people. Now, excavated animal bones show that people ate meat and domesticated animals such as sheep, goats, buffaloes, etc. So students, also along with these grains, with the excavation process, different animal bones also has been discovered later, which shows that the Harappan people also ate meat at that time, meat of different animals. And also this proves, students, that they domesticated, that is they keep animals in their homes and domesticated these animals such as sheep, goats, buffaloes, etc. Now, along with meat, fish was also a part of their diet. Diet here means the regular food that people eat, food that we eat regularly, that is part of our diet. So fish was also a part of their diet. We already know that it was a river valley civilization, so fish could be available in plenty. Now students, we will move on to agriculture and trade. So students, in different sites of the Indus Valley civilization, toy models of plows have been found in Indus Valley civilization. So these plows actually prove that agriculture was quite developed in the Indus Valley civilization. And how they do the agriculture? The plows were used for digging the earth before sowing the seeds. So before they put the seeds in the ground, what did they do? They dug out the earth and then put the seeds so that crops could be better produced. Okay, so this is why for digging the earth, the plows were used. So from different Indus Valley sites, this, as you can see in the screen, this is the Indus Valley plow. This plow has been discovered in many sites of the Indus Valley civilization, which proves that they use this plow for digging the earth and for practicing agriculture. So this is an agricultural field, students. This is now in ruins, of course. It was discovered by the archaeologists later, but this is an agricultural field of Indus Valley civilization where people of the Indus Valley civilization practiced agriculture.